So welcome all of you. Now we are directly starting the class. Okay. So when we talk about the acupuncture, we always start from the five elements. There are very deeper connectivity, very deeper connectivity with the five elements and the body. This is the zero word. The zero word means we have taken the birth from the zero word. जहां से हमारी उत्पत्ति हुई है उस स्थान को हम कहते हैं जीरो वर्ड. सो दिस इज द प्लेस ऑफ सीड्स, यानी जहां पर बीज रहता है और उसके बाद वो ग्रो करता है और धीरे धीरे ट्री बन जाता है और बाद में नष्ट होकर वापस जीरो वर्ड में चला जाता है. सो दिस द कंप्लीट साइकिल. दिस द कंप्लीट साइकिल. The taking origin from the seed, growing in a full-fledged tree, then after that, again, going back, and the last phase or death, and merging in the earth, becoming seeds, multiple seeds. यानी बीज से पौधे का बनना और बाद में उस पौधे का वापस नष्ट होकर बीज बन जाना. This is called five element cycle. So the first, everything starts from this phase. In the acupuncture, this phase is called the root phase. The root phase. Or this phase is called foundation. Like a tree, this is the tree. So we can see this is the tree. We are having bigger tree and this is the root. Root are inside. So this is the root. ये जड़ें जो हैं, this is called the foundation. पेड़ को खड़ा करने में इन जड़ों का बहुत ही बड़ा योगदान है. Without the root, we cannot make this much tree. Because tree is going toward the heaven. वो पौधा ऊपर बढ़ता जा रहा है, हेवन की तरफ जा रहा है, लेकिन स्टिल he is taking water. He is taking water from the root. So we can never forget this main foundation. We can never forget this root. We can never forget the importance of this root. Importance of this root. This is the most important thing. तो जब भी हमारा सीड एक ट्री बनता है, but root are always there under the earth, then this tree is growing, becoming bigger and bigger. But this is always connected with the foundation. So first we are talking about this foundation or root. In the acupuncture, the seed is sprouting. If you give the water, then seed is sprouting. So this is the seed you are giving to water, then the seed will sprout. यानी उस सीड में से अंकुर निकलेगा कब? जब आप उसको खूब सारा पानी देंगे. So this is the basic first stage, or we tell it water phase. Water phase. As we know, the meaning of water is coolness. The meaning of water who bring coldness in the body, who bring coolness in the heart, coolness in the heart, who bring coolness in the mind. So this first phase is always connected with all the things which is connected with the coolness. If we see all the directions, north, south, east, west, and this is the center. So the north direction is connected with the water phase. That's why north direction is connected with the cooling phase. तो अगर हम चाहें अपनी बॉडी में देखें, चाहे हम अपने घर में देखें, अगर हमारे घर के नॉर्थ में हमने फायर को प्लेस कर दिया, फायर का मतलब है लाल रंग, रेड कलर. If we place the red color on the north side of our home, so it is going to damage the water because both are the opposite force. In the same way, when we talk about the five element, this is the root or this is the water. As per acupuncture, we know the kidney and urinary bladder are coming under this. And the kidney is responsible to cool our body. Kidney is cooling our body. The function of kidney is cooling. So the kidney is the air condition of the body. Air condition of our body. Like if you are feeling too much heat in your body, अगर आपको गर्मी जरूरत से ज्यादा लग रही है, अगर आपको आंखों में गर्म लग रहा है, अगर आपको बॉडी में गर्म लग रहा है, if we touch there is no fever but you are feeling lots of heat in the body, the burning eyes, the burning feet, burning palm, burning ear, like you are feeling heat in the body, you are feeling feverish because kidney is unable to cool your body. So as per the acupuncture, if you want to cool your body, then you have to improve the kidney. You have to compulsory improve the kidney, and kidney will supply the water, kidney will supply the coolness, kidney will supply the calmness in the heart and brain. Now, this is the human body. So we are having two kidney. One is the right kidney. One is the left kidney. So this is the right kidney. This is the left kidney. The level of kidney is near about thoracic 12 to L3, lumbar 3. Look at other image. ये आप इमेज देखिए, हम इसमें देखेंगे किडनी की लोकेशन. So look at this. So we can see the two kidney here. अगर आपको दोनों किडनी देखना है तो फ्रंट साइड से थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है क्योंकि किडनी थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ होती है. But if we see the kidney from the back side, then we can see very clearly here. We can see. So this is the T12 vertebra. We can see this is the thoracic 12, T12 vertebra. So kidney is starting from the level of T12, then it is going down, 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 down. It is coming till this level. So this is the lumbar 2. This is lumbar 2. So kidney is available between T12 to lumbar 2. और हम बैक साइड से जल्दी किडनी के नजदीक पहुंच सकते हैं. And we are having two kidney. We can see in this image. We are having right kidney and we are having left kidney. So this is the right kidney. And this is the left kidney. The left kidney is connected with filtration. The left kidney is the main kidney who is connected with the filtration. Or this is also called kidney yin kidney. And the right kidney is not connected with the filtration as per the acupuncture. The right kidney is connected with the sexual performance. अगर आपको किसी का सेक्सुअलिटी ठीक करनी है, किसी का इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन ठीक करना है, ये सब किडनी में ही आएगा, अभी हम देखेंगे. So the right kidney is connected with the sexual energy. The right kidney is connected with the infertility. The right kidney is connected with the वीर्य. वीर्य हम जानते हैं, कहते हैं कि ब्रह्मचर्य का पालन करके वीर्य की रक्षा करना चाहिए. So when someone is involving in the sexual intercourse and discharging the semen, either male or female, they are losing the one essence of the body. जो सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स के समय जो बॉडी का इसेंस लूज होता है उसे हम कहते हैं जिंग. दिस इज स्टोर्ड इन द राइट किडनी. सो राइट किडनी इज द प्लेस ऑफ जिंग, प्लेस ऑफ वीर्य. राइट किडनी का संबंध है अगर आपको किसी का इनफर्टिलिटी ठीक करना है, इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन ठीक करना है, किसी का सेक्स डिजायर नहीं है, लो लिबिडो ठीक करना है, then you have to work on the right kidney. और अगर आपको किसी का फिल्ट्रेशन सिस्टम ठीक करना है, then you have to work on the left kidney. So left kidney is connected with the filtration system and right kidney is connected with the jing or virya, which is the root of body. Jing is the root or foundation of the body. जिंग हमारी बॉडी की हर एक चीज को कंट्रोल करता है. जिंग इज द पावर ऑफ द बॉडी which is stored in the right kidney. Now, if we come in the center of right and left kidney, this is the center point. This point is called Mingmen Chakra. Mingmen Chakra. The Mingmen Chakra stores the essence coming from the right kidney. So if they want to work on the virya, if we want to work on the jing, अगर हमें किसी का वीर्य जिंग बढ़ाना है, इनफर्टिलिटी को ट्रीट करना है, then we can work in between the right and left kidney. That is called Ming Meng chakra. As per the acupuncture, the location of Ming Meng chakra, we'll see now. In this image, we can see. So look at this image. So right, left kidney is here, right kidney is here. In between, we can see this is the location of governing vessel 4. जो governing vessel 4 होता है, वही right kidney के वीर्य को स्टोर करता है. So whenever we put the needle in the governing vessel 4, or we just keep our palm and heal the governing vessel 4, it ignite the sexual energy. Sexual energy का अर्थ केवल ये नहीं है कि the energy you are using for the sexual performance. The meaning of sexual energy, even you can use this energy for spiritual enlightenment. The energy is stored there on the governing vessel 4, which can be used for the right purpose, for the healing of the body, or which can be used for giving birth to the new life with the sexual intercourse, or just can be used for pleasure during intercourse. तो जब ये कोई भी सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स करता है तो जो मिंग मैंग की एनर्जी है वो इग्नाइट होती है, उठती है वहां से. So that energy come from the kidney or that spirit all around the body, in each and every cells of the body. That energy means we are using our jing during this activity. So the governing vessel 4 is just the center point between both the kidney. हम इसको निडल लगाना सीखेंगे. जब हम इस पर निडल लगाते हैं तो we put the needle in the upper direction like that. We put the needle in the upper direction if we want to tonify it. हम इसमें ऊपर की तरफ निडल लगाते हैं या फिर हम सुजोग में उसे टॉनिफाई कर देते हैं. सुजोग में गवर्निंग वेसल 4 को मैग्नेट से टॉनिफाई कर देते हैं, और जस्ट वी कैन हील दिस पॉइंट विद अ पाम. दिस इज कॉल्ड मिंग मैंग चक्रा. So the right kidney is called yang kidney. The right kidney is connected with sex energy or jing or virya, and left kidney is called yin kidney. लेफ्ट किडनी को हम यिन किडनी कहते हैं, which is connected with the filtration system. So this is the difference between the right and left kidney, and the between both the kidney, this is the one kidney, this is another kidney. Just center point is called governing vessel 4 or Ming Meng chakra. The Ming Meng chakra store the energy or jing coming from right kidney. हम इसको यूज करेंगे जब हम किसी का किडनी यांग ठीक करेंगे तब हम इसको यूज करेंगे. So what I want to tell you, if this is the right kidney and this is the left kidney, this is the yang kidney, And there's the yin kidney. So yang kidney means who is connected with the yang means warmness, heat. Yin means coolness. So the meaning of right kidney, yang kidney, which keep body warm, especially lower part of the body. Lower part of body, especially. तो अब किसी को, if someone is suffering, lower back pain, why he is suffering with the lower pain? जैसे ठंड लगी तो lower back pain चालू हो गया. So if someone is suffering with the lower back pain because of the cold attack, means body is unable to warm. The kidney yang is unable to warm. If kidney yang is good, it keep on warming, no effect of coldness. But if kidney yang is becoming poor, then little cold exposure will create the lower back pain. So if someone is suffering with the lower back pain because of cold season, because of winter season, और ऐसा कोई भी व्यक्ति जो बोले ना कि सिकाई करते हैं तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, what is the meaning? If you do the hot fermentation, he feel good. It's so he demanding the yang energy. So we will do the treatment of kidney yang and we will increase the kidney yang. So we will do the treatment of kidney yang. So we are having certain points. We will discuss each and every lots of point protocols. Now we are going to finish kidney in very detail first. Then we'll move to the next elements. So we are going to learn each and every element connection of the kidney meridian, the inner circuit. हम किडनी के बारे में पूरा डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे, समझेंगे, किडनी के कारण होने वाली भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की बीमारियों को समझेंगे, फिर हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. So now if someone is coming to you complaining, doctor, I am suffering with a lower back pain and I feel good if someone do hot fermentation. कोई सिकाई करे तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. Start the treatment of kidney yang. So this is the case of kidney yang deficiency. और उसके फिक्स पॉइंट हैं किडनी yang deficiencies के 4-5 पॉइंट को आप ट्रीटमेंट देकर उन्हें ठीक कर सकते हो. So 4 to 5 points can treat the kidney yang. So in this way, we can treat the kidney yang deficiency just by few points. We will discuss shortly the kidney 7, CV6, governing vessel 4. These are the few points. We can also unite CV4. We can also unite kidney 3. So in this way, we are having urinary bladder 23 and 52. इन पॉइंट्स को हम ट्रीटमेंट देकर किडनी यांग को इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं और लोअर बैक पेन को ठीक कर सकते हैं. So we can treat the lower back pain. These are the wonderful point protocol for the lower back pain if someone is suffering with the lower back pain because of the kidney yang deficiency. So now, the area of kidney is lower back, knee, legs, and whole lower part. So someone is suffering with the lower back pain, someone is suffering with the knee pain, someone is suffering with the leg pain, or someone is suffering with the pain happening in any lower body part. Just we can treat with these 4 points: kidney 7, CV6, governing vessel 4, and UV23. We will also see the practical demonstration. तो देखिए आज हमारा पहला दिन है। आज हम अपनी क्लास को यहीं पर समाप्त कर रहे हैं। कल से हमारी क्लास 3 बजे स्टार्ट हो जाएगी शार्पली, और हम इस सब्जेक्ट की डेप्थ में जाएंगे। सो इनफ फॉर टुडे, नाउ विल सी यू टुमारो। थैंक यू सो मच।